The National Weather Service in Pendleton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Jefferson County in Central Oregon, northern Wheeler County in Central Oregon until 5 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:54 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. This storm was located 33 miles southwest of Service Creek, or about 22 miles northeast of Prineville, and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Other locations impacted include fossil hail to the size of baseballs and wind gusts to 60 miles per hour are likely. Significant property damage or injury may be caused by the wind-driven hail. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter and stay away from windows until the storm passes. If you experience large hail 3/4 of an inch in diameter or larger, or winds strong enough to down large tree limbs or power lines, call your local law enforcement agency with your report relayed to the National Weather Service. You may also call the National Weather Service in Pendleton directly toll-free at 1-800-240-4527.